Hello! So this is obviously not something that I would normally post, but I wanted to kind of bring you all into my world a little bit so you can understand a little bit more about what I've been going through over the last couple of weeks, over the last month, and just kind of give you some insight on what's going on in my life, just so as viewers and subscribers, you feel a little bit more connected to me as a person as opposed to just the content that I post, because I'm not only creating subscribers and a channel, I am creating a community of people that can come to me for questions, can go to each other for questions and answers, and anything that you guys need. I want to be able to provide that for you. So to give you a little bit of insight on what I've been going through the last month or so, my mom had lung surgery and she has been off for a little bit of time now. She was in the hospital for a week. She's doing great, just so everyone knows. Appreciate any well wishes, but she is doing well. She is at home right now recovering, and she has been for the last few weeks. But she wanted me to live with her for a few weeks temporarily to just kind of help her through her healing process. She has her boyfriend here, but he has some days that he can't be home. So that's where I come in, and I've been able to help her out through a lot of different things. And it's been really nice just kind of coming back home as an adult, because even she admitted yesterday to me that it's difficult for her because she realizes now that I am an adult and she can't always tell me what to do. But that is why I'm living with my mom right now. I don't know if this is temporary or permanent right now, so I think I will figure that out in the next few months or so, but I would not mind staying here because I do like helping her out, and the older I get, I realize that time is the only thing we have, and I would much rather sit here and spend time with her than be anywhere else. So I can still get a lot of work done sitting next to her, and I still get to talk to her and have a good relationship with her, so it's really helpful just to kind of sit here and be here with her. So that's why I'm at home. I didn't realize going into the keto vegan month that it would be as difficult as it was. I know I had mentioned it a few different times to my friends, and they were like, whoa, dude, like, that's gonna be a little tough, but until I experienced it, I didn't really understand it fully, because, I thought it was going to be easy peasy, whatever. It did turn out to be a little bit more difficult than I was expecting, and I think that's just because I was very limited on what I could eat. Yes, a lot of it was whole food, and I did appreciate that factor of it, and it's actually kind of made me take a step back and understand, where I'm at with my health, and I need to be drinking more water, and I need to be intaking more whole foods. So that definitely was an eye-opener for me, but because of health reasons, the coronavirus going around, and just overall, I had a couple people talk to me and they said, hey, you don't look like you have a lot of energy, you look really tired. They all just kind of made me take a step back and understand that maybe I shouldn't be doing this, especially right now, because with all of this hype and anxiety and whatever it is about this virus going around, I really don't want to make myself susceptible to that in any way, shape, or form. I just decided, you know what, we're not going to do it for the next couple weeks. I will be coming out with a different video this week, and I can come up with something next week. Unless you guys want to see something special, then just let me know in the comment section below, and I can certainly create something for you. I was planning on doing the keto thing all month long, but obviously that didn't happen. So I kind of gave myself shit for it for a little bit of time. I like to finish the things that I start, so I really kind of felt like crap for a few days after I decided to stop. But I know it's for the best. I know it's for me and for my health. I feel a lot better now that I'm off of it, and I don't feel that I have to constantly be aware of every single thing that's in my food. I usually don't pay attention to the carbohydrates and things, so that was an eye-opener, but at the same time, I already look at all the nutrition facts and all of the ingredients and everything that I eat, because being a vegan, you never know what they put milk in. It's just an extra step, it feels like. A step further than that is keto vegan, so it's very restrictive. I would almost put it up there with raw veganism, but I'm not completely educated on raw veganism, so I don't want to absolutely compare the two side by side. If I had to guess, I would say that they're probably very similar. The other factor about the vegan keto thing that I didn't necessarily enjoy was the fact that it strained my budget. I give myself a certain amount of money each week to buy food with, and I exceeded that both times that I bought food. So that was a little stressful for me, because I understand that I'm investing in something, but at the same time, I get very anxious when it comes to spending over my budget. So it's just a mental thing, I think, for me, and just the way that I was raised. Just kind of thinking about those things and really understanding where I stand with it and that I'm not comfortable continuing it. That was just something I had to come to terms with myself. So I'm hoping that you all understand and that you all still love and appreciate this channel, because I love and appreciate every single one of you. I want to continuously give you new content, so please stick around and you will see more from me. I have a lot of things coming up in the future that I'm excited to release. I don't know if my LA trip is going to still happen at the end of next month, because I just don't know. There's just so much uncertainty going on right now that I am keeping my close eyes on Airbnb and Delta flights, because I don't know what's going to happen. So worst case scenario, it gets postponed. I'm fine with that. I'm still going. I don't care what time of year it is. So with all that being said, I was very grateful and am very grateful that I had the opportunity to try out keto vegan, even though it was a little difficult for me. I at least now have an experience with it, and I know how it reacts with my body, and I know that it's not for me. So if you want to try it out, I highly suggest that you do a lot of research beforehand. I think that was one area that I lacked, was I just didn't do enough research. I did do some by asking people and looking things up, but I feel like you can't do enough when it comes to that. So definitely be aware of that if you're going to try out the vegan keto thing, and don't do it long term. If you listen to your body, first of all, after that first week, I was a little anxious about my health, because, I just wasn't sure what was going on and how my body was reacting to fat and protein and low carbs, and I don't know, it's just not worth it for me. So I appreciate every single one of you, and I am excited to show you a new video this week, so keep an eye out for that. It'll be up on Thursday. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and like this video and comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Have you ever tried vegan keto? Have you ever thought about it? Would you ever try it? And what else would you like to see from me? Because I want to continuously give you guys content that you enjoy, things that you actually want to see, because like I said, I have some things planned, but I don't necessarily know that you guys want to see them. So I need to know what you want so I can properly deliver all of the content that you would like to see. Just let me know in the comments below. I look forward to continuing this channel with all of you. If there's ever any questions that you have about transitioning to veganism or veganism in general, please don't hesitate to comment in one of my videos or contact me via Instagram. In the description below, I have links to all social media, and I am always on them, so right, wrong, or indifferent, I am always there, so you are always welcome to hit me up. With that being said, I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I will see you again on Thursday.